A lot of people don't realize that by default, apps compress your videos, which means your content may not look as sharp as it should. But don't worry. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to upload videos in 4K or the highest possible quality on Threads. So without wasting any time, let's jump right into it. First of all, go ahead and open the App Store on your phone. In the search bar, type Threads and make sure the app is updated to the latest version. This step is important because some features may not show up if you're using an older version. Once the app is updated, simply open it. Now, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, look at the top right corner and tap on the two horizontal lines, menu icon. From there, tap on Account and then go to Media. Here you'll find an option called Upload at highest quality. All you need to do is turn this option on. And that's it! Now you can upload your videos in 4K or the highest available quality on Threads without any compression issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.